Hare Krishna. So today we will begin reading from the Sri Ishopanishad. The translation, the synonyms, and the purports were written by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. And the book was published by the Bhaktivedanta Book Trust. We will start with the Sanskrit verse. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Word for word synonyms. Om, the complete whole. Purnam, perfectly complete. Adaha, that. Purnam, perfectly complete. Idam, this phenomenal world. Purnat, from the all-perfect. Purnam, complete unit. Udachyate, is produced. Purnasya, of the complete whole. Purnam, completely or all. Adaya, having been taken away. Purnam, the complete balance. Eva, even. Avashishyate, is remaining. Translation. The personality of Godhead is perfect and complete, and because He is completely perfect, all emanations from Him, such as this phenomenal world, are perfectly equipped as complete wholes. Whatever is produced of the complete whole is also complete in itself. Because He is the complete whole, even though so many complete units emanate from Him, He remains the complete balance. Purport. The complete whole, or the supreme absolute truth, is the complete personality of Godhead. Realization of impersonal Brahman, or of Paramatma, the Supersoul, is incomplete realization of the Absolute complete. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is Sat Chit Ananda Vigraha. Realization of impersonal Brahman is realization of His Sat feature, or His aspect of eternity. And Paramatma realization is realization of His Sat and Chit features, His aspects of eternity and knowledge. But realization of the personality of Godhead is realization of all the transcendental features, Sat, Chit, and Ananda, or bliss. When one realizes the Supreme Person, he realizes these aspects of the Absolute Truth in their completeness. Vigraha means form. Thus, the complete whole is not formless. If He were formless, or if He were less than His creation in any other way, He could not be complete. The complete whole must contain everything, both within and beyond our experience. Otherwise, He cannot be complete. The complete whole, the personality of Godhead, has immense potencies, all of which are as complete as He is. Thus, the phenomenal world is also complete in itself. The 24 elements of which this material world is a temporary manifestation are arranged to produce everything necessary for the maintenance and subsistence of this universe. No other unit in the universe need make an extraneous effort to try to maintain the universe. The universe functions on its own time scale, which is fixed by the energy of the complete whole. And when the schedule is completed, this temporary manifestation will be annihilated by the complete arrangement of the complete whole. All facilities are given to the small complete units, namely the living entities, to engage them to realize the complete whole. All forms of completeness are experienced, all forms of incompleteness are experienced due to incomplete knowledge of the complete whole. The human form of life is a complete manifestation of the consciousness of the living being, and it is obtained after evolving through 8,400,000 species of life in the cycle of birth and death. If in this human life of full consciousness, the living entity does not realize his completeness in relation to the complete whole, he loses the chance to realize his completeness and is again put into the evolutionary cycle by the law of material nature. Because we do not know that there is a complete arrangement in nature for our maintenance, we make efforts to utilize the resources of nature to create a so-called complete life of sense enjoyment. Because the living entity cannot enjoy the life of the senses without being dovetailed with the complete whole, the misleading life of sense enjoyment is illusion. The hand of a body is a complete unit only as long as it is attached to the complete body. When the hand is severed from the body, it may appear like a hand, but it actually has none of the potencies of a hand. Similarly, living beings are part and parcel of the complete whole, and if they are severed from the complete whole, the illusory representation of completeness cannot fully satisfy them. The completeness of human life can be realized only when one engages in the service of the complete whole. All services in this world, whether social, political, communal, international, or even interplanetary, will remain incomplete until they are dovetailed with the complete whole. When everything is dovetailed with the complete whole, the attached parts and parcels also become complete in themselves. So this ends the reading of the first verse and purport of the Sri Ishopanishad. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.